Hello friend, Namaste, this is me Dr. Abhishek. In today's video, I'll talk about very easy and very effective cure for pollen allergy or hay fever, or also you call it as a seasonal allergy. So watch me till the end. I'll give you very easy few steps. So in few steps you will learn how to get out from this problem. See, when spring comes up, this spring brings pollens, and these pollens becomes the cause or allergens to create this seasonal allergy. And typical symptoms like throat irritations, nasal irritations, sinus irritations, coughing, sinus block, etc. happens, and it really irritates and it make you to struggle a lot, and then you require some symptomatic treatment like antihistamines. What Ayurveda talks here? Ayurveda says during Vasanta Ritu, the season of spring, causes kapha to get aggravated. Why this kapha is aggravating? Because during winter this kapha was accumulating. Now when this weather became warm, it started melting kapha. So this kapha got aggravated, and now all respiratory symptoms are getting come up. So these respiratory symptoms are bothering and disturbing you. So what is important here to learn? Anything which pacifies or subsides kapha we have to adopt. So what are the things which increases kapha? Like milk products, yogurt, ice cream, cold items consuming especially at night, like cold drinks, beer, etc. etc. So you have to stay away from it if you have this seasonal allergy or you easily get affected from the respiratory problems. This is the first thing. Second thing, keep your immune system perfect. So all seasonal fruits, like oranges, sweet lime, grapefruit, etc., or anything which is seasonal, very good to keep your immune system perfect. Amla is one of the very common and well-known Indian herb and fruit which keeps immune system perfect. So if you find amla juice, you may have amla juice. Otherwise, amla is available in tablet form as well as in powder form. So the concept is to keep your immune system perfect so that your body is capable to tolerate whatever is happening in the surrounding, and it may not cause that strong inflammatory changes in the sinus. Now, there is one very effective and well-known Ayurvedic formulation is called Haridra Khanda. Haridra Khanda is a compound formulation. It is in granule forms or in powder form. It's a very easy to take. 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of Haridra Khanda, dissolve in a glass of or in a cup of hot water, and drink it 2 to 3 times daily, morning, before lunch and before dinner, 3 times daily, empty stomach, or at least half an hour before food. This is the best formulation, I tell you, to cure your these allergic symptoms. So what is recommended here? At least 3 months you have to drink it, so that you should not suffer when the symptom starts from this pollen. And it's recommended before the pollination starts, like from January you have to start, so that during the season you should not suffer and you should not get bothered. So at least 3 to 4 months, every time when the season is changing, you have to drink it. Within 3-4 repetitions, like in 3-4 years, you will see almost you are out of the symptoms, you have no problems. And whenever the symptoms happens, is not going to bother you that much. So that means your immune system is prepared now to tolerate it, and your mucous membrane is not causing these irritations and inflammation. This is the one important thing. Other thing is putting oil in your nostril. Morning is the time you have to, just after brushing the teeth, you have to install oil in your nostril. Mustard oil is the recommended oil, and you have to put few drops, like 5-6 drops in your nostril, so that this oil goes inside the nostril, inside the mucous membrane, and it allows mucous membrane to tolerate these seasonal changes or pollination. So this pollination will not irritate and inflammation will not happen, and whatever the mucus has accumulated already in the sinus, it will come out slowly. So it may irritate little bit with this mustard oil, but it's needed. So installing or putting mustard oil in the morning is very important and recommended when this type of changes happens. But you may do it every day, because this is recommended in daily regime, Dincharya of Ayurveda, to do this nasal oiling. What else? Steam inhalation, another recommended thing. When your sinuses are blocked, you feel heavy head and you feel really breathless, put few drops of eucalyptus oil in water and do steam inhalation. So this vapor goes inside the nostril and opens whatever the block is happening, opens the sinus, so you feel release and symptomatic betterment happens very easily. So these are the few things really going to help you, symptomatic betterment achieve, and permanent betterment, permanent cure happens when you follow all these things. Again I will repeat, Haridra Khanda is the very effective, very safe and easily available Ayurvedic formulation. Anywhere you can find it. Just drink it within few weeks, like within 1 week, not few weeks, you will feel lot of betterment. So thank you so much. Hope this video was useful, and now no more hay fever symptoms, no more pollen allergy is going to bother you.